A brief explanation of air pollution. Air pollution is a serious global issue that affects people and the environment in many ways. It is created when harmful substances, such as gases, toxins, and particles, are released into the atmosphere. These pollutants can come from a variety of sources, such as factories, power plants, and cars. Air pollution can have a detrimental impact on the health of humans and animals, as well as damage the environment. Air pollution can cause many respiratory and cardiovascular illnesses, such as asthma, bronchitis, and heart disease. It can also worsen existing conditions, such as allergies and asthma. In addition, studies have linked air pollution to an increase in cancer risk. Air pollution can damage forests, coral reefs, and other ecosystems. It can harm agricultural crops and contaminate soil, water, and air. Fortunately, there are steps that can be taken to reduce air pollution. These include reducing the use of fossil fuels, switching to renewable sources of energy, improving vehicle emission standards, and increasing public awareness. By taking action now, we can help protect ourselves and the environment from the harmful effects of air pollution. For more brief explanations, like and subscribe.